common question we get from people is, why do I need you? You take a huge part of the settlement. Why can't I just do this myself? And honestly, I completely understand that question. If I didn't deal with insurance companies on a day-to-day basis and I was in your shoes, I probably would feel the exact same way and ask the exact same question. There are a number of pitfalls we see when people try to handle their case themselves. First, and honestly probably most important, is it's very hard to figure out what questions you should be asking the insurance company. One of the most important questions to answer first, and it's one thing that we try to find out immediately within the first few days of representing a client, is how much insurance coverage is available for the particular claim. So I've had countless conversations with people who have started the process themselves, and I'm talking to them, and I always ask them, has the insurance company told you how much is available for your claim? And to this day, we're 12 years in at this point, I've never had anyone who's trying to handle it themselves tell me, yeah, they've told me exactly how much is available for the claim. The other thing that we see is the insurance representatives, the adjusters that are dealing with these people, they're probably nice and they make you feel like you can trust them. And I'm not saying this is malicious, but they've been trained to try and make people who don't have attorneys happy in order to prevent them from hiring an attorney. And so it's really easy to kind of get led down that path. You know, the other thing that we see is almost all of these cases end up in a negotiation towards the end. And if you're not in this world and don't have access to the information that we do, it's really, really hard, almost impossible, to figure out what the value of your case should be. And we obviously have Google, and now we have AI, and that provides us so much information, but every case is different. And it's very, very hard to find accurate information on what your case is really worth. And then lastly, kind of the main leverage point that we have is we have the ability to take your case to court if we need to. And so the insurance company understands that that's a big risk for them, and we always have the ability to do that. Technically, I guess you could represent yourself pro se and take your case to court. I would strongly advise against that, and most people are not comfortable doing that.